Hey everybody, Pat, and in this video I want to go through how easy it is to implement and use our product Copy Engine to write all your cold email copy at scale and how you can use that with Instantly and Smartlead campaigns so that you can basically get the best of both worlds. If you're not using our sequencer, you can use any other sequencer with this product, and it'll write all of your emails for your leads, one of one email, so every lead gets a unique email. You can do personalization, you can do web research, you can do AI spin tags, you can do all this stuff so that you can get better deliverability, you can personalize your leads, you can reduce messaging fatigue, you can reduce, prompt whiplash using ChatGPT to write cold email copy and then having to redo that all over again. You can store everything inside of the LeadEngine platform when you build a campaign and then run all of your copy and then import it into Instantly and Smartlead. So I won't give a big demo on building a campaign within the LeadEngine platform for the copy engine, but just to give you an example here, so when you go in, you pick a list, you can store all your information about your companies, your personas, and then you can build your custom steps for all your campaign copy. And then you can use all our different modes, AI spin tags, dynamic AI, personalized AI, and you can write all your emails and your campaigns at scale. So once you generate a campaign inside of LeadEngine, you're going to have a file that you can download. You just click this download button here. All right, so let's say you're adding a campaign into Instantly and you click add new. Let's just say add new. I'm going to add leads. I'm going to grab a CSV file. I'm going to click upload. I'm going to grab the file and then it's going to map some columns. So I've got first name, last name, email, website, LinkedIn. We have a bunch of columns that get added into the file you will not need to import. But once I get into, say, the email subject line, I'm going to come into here. I'm going to do a custom variable and then I probably want to use the HTML version of the email. It's real light HTML. It's cold email friendly HTML. This helps with just spacing and things like that. I would do custom variable here. And then I'm going to scroll down into this campaign. I generated 2 emails. So I'll do custom variable here. And then under email to body, I'm going to do custom variable there. All right, perfect. That's all I need. I'm just going to uncheck these. I'm going to hit upload all, hit go. Now I come into my step 1. I had a subject line. I add a variable. So email subject 1, it's going to reference that copy, and then I'm going to come into the body. I'm going to hit variable. I'm going to hit email body 1, hit the variable, hit preview. Boom, there's the email. This lead didn't have a first name, so if you're using first names and things like that, it'll be just fine. It'll pull in the actual name itself. So that's the process inside of Instantly. It can do the same thing with email number 2. So I hit variables, subject 2, body 2, same thing. And again, if you're using first name, it's going to pull in first name. This file, that lead just didn't have a first name on it. So that's how simple it is inside of Instantly, and basically the same thing inside of Smartlead. So they more or less have the same process. So I'm going to hit save. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to go to email subject 1. I'm just going to do as a custom field, body 1, custom field. I'm going to scroll down to subject 2, which you might not even be using a subject line for subject 2, but anyway, we write a subject line, and then I'm going to come down into custom field again. I'm going to hit save and next. It's going to import the file. I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to do the exact same thing here. So subject line 1, and then I'm going to do body 1. If I want to add a step, add an email step, do the same thing here. Now, if I leave this blank, it's not going to add a subject line inside of Smartlead or Instantly, but just for the sake of this demo video here, I can just show you, like, all you have to do is grab the merge fields, and I can preview this if I hit save and next. So I can scroll through these and look at all of the emails. So you see here, I had more leads in the list, so it's actually using the first names, so on and so forth. So everything looks perfect. My subject lines are in there, my bodies are in there, all that kind of stuff. So that's how easy it is. You can generate your copy inside a copy engine. You can write dynamic, personalized, variable like AI spin tags emails at scale. Take the file, you import it into Instantly Smartlead, and now you have one of one copy easily inside of all those platforms. So I would love for you to check this out. And if you have any questions, please let us know. Hope this video is helpful, and we'll see you on the next one.